guys, welcome back to Leafy and Cherish, and today I'm going to be doing something really cool. So as you can see, I have my fire alarm board. I've put a little bit new fire alarms on this. If you're new to my channel, and if you like this video, please make sure to give it a full thumbs up, and like and subscribe. Yep. So, we have a Simplex T-bar, Notify BG12, this bell. I have a circuit snaps, doorbell, and that's the doorbell. There's a doorbell, old bell, easy button from Staples, a homemade bell, this extremely loud bell, and this Edward Ticket 278. And then there's a siren right here. As you can see, it says pull for tornado. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the Simplex T-bar in 3, 2, 1. How do I play this? Sorry guys, I think we have a little malfunction here. My screen has froze. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we reached 34.2 decibels. Okay, yeah. That was not really loud. Okay, now we're gonna start off with my tornado siren in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we are reaching here 42.0 decibels. Good. Okay, now we're gonna do, so right now the siren has just one out of the bell, so here we go. So now we're gonna do the Notifier BG12, which is the horn, in 3, 2, and 1. Okay, wow, okay. So, I'm kind of shocked that this bell has been the quietest, and that is really, that's 37 decibels. Oh my gosh, okay, I'm kind of surprised about that. Okay, so now, we are going to start off with this doorbell, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we are at a quiet 39.5 decibels. Okay, now we're going to do our fire alarm doorbell in 3, 2, and 1. 38.8 decibels. Okay, now we're going to do our old bell in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're gonna do our easy button in 3, 2, 1. Ozzy, be quiet.
That was easy.
69 decibels. Okay, that's the loudest one right now. And now for our last one, we're gonna try our old bell. Not the old bell, this bell right here. 3, 2, 1. Ozzy, be quiet. You're gonna spoil it, okay? Okay, yeah, that was really loud. But only 47, okay? Okay, so our quietest alarm is the Simplex bell. The second quietest is this fire alarm doorbell. The third quietest, which is last quietest, is the chime doorbell right here. And then we have, for first loudest, we have the siren right here. And then we have, for second loudest, two ties, the old bell, which is this one, and the bell, which is this one. And then for the second loudest, we have the horn from the BG-12. And then the loudest of them all is actually the easy button, which I thought was the quietest. By the way, I forgot to test one alarm, which was this one. Just a button, but yeah. That'll be it for today, guys. Yeah. See ya. Bye.